Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing here. I already cut the top open, so let's get this out of here. It is a GMT from About Vintage. So let's dump this out of here. Not sure that means this is mixed packaging. Maybe it's made in different countries. I don't know. But all right, let's take a look. So I didn't pay for this watch. It was sent over for video. So we'll put a disclaimer in there about paid promotion or whatever. So yeah, these do come with nice boxes. I'm surprised about that. You know, nicer boxing you get with the Seiko. It looks and feels like real wood, so that's cool. So it is a quartz watch. Yep, see the second hand there ticking away. Let's zoom in here. Set the box off to the side. That's right, I think it came with another bracelet. That's why we have this box here. So that's a cool looking watch. It kind of reminds me of the older Explorer 2s. I don't exactly remember when, from the 80s or whenever they came out. They had kind of had this style for a little bit. And it sort of reminds me of a Glycine Airman as well. I believe I have a discount code for this brand as well, so I'll leave that in the description. So let's peel off. I'll put all these stickers at. So there's information there. 1982 GMT steel, blue off-white, 5 links. Blue off-white. Not sure what that's about. Let's see if the bezel rotates. I don't even know. It does. Bi-directional too. Wow, that's nice. A lot of GMTs they kind of cheap out and they just have the unidirectional because that's what the divers use. But this has an actual bi-directional bezel, so that is a nice touch. Let's see, am I straight on there? There we go. All right, let's get the rest of this plastic off of here and the hang tag. We'll see what's in the other box, and we'll get this on wrist. Sticker on the case back. Come on. Getting there. There we go. Let's quick look at the case back. Pretty plain looking, which is fine with me. So designed in Copenhagen. Pretty sure that's Denmark. Pretty sure that's in Denmark, I should say. On focus. 10 ATM, water resistant. Looks like a little bit of residue on here from that sticker on the back. Let's zoom in here. What does it say about crystal? Sapphire crystal. It's blurry, but I can still read it. There we go. And Mirror Lake finish there, you can see the reflection. Okay, let's see what's in this other box, and then we'll get this on wrist, and we'll close out the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and it really does help me out here. Okay, so it's not a bracelet, it's a rubber strap. Received this a little while ago, just now getting into it. That feels like rubber versus silicone. I don't know. Yeah, it might be silicone. Looks nice. Looks like this is the blue color then. So maybe that dial is blue. Let's see. We're in the Black Bay today, Black Bay 58. You tell me, what do those dial colors look like to you? All right, let's give this on wrist. Yeah, I'll have to remove a few links. It looks like they're just, are they split pins? Yeah, they're split pins, so it should be fairly easy to size. See, it looks like we have a little bit of taper. I would guess it goes from 20 down to 18 if I had to guess. Anyway, there we go. Looks like a nice little GMT watch. I don't remember the price offhand right now, but I'll leave a link in the description to this watch. Alright, well that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for your time and thank you for watching.